What's up, guys? It's DD Spinity here, back at it again with another video. This will be my third video.
Who cares?
Shut up, Brandon. Anyways, we're going to Wawa. We're gonna have a food challenge, and you'll see exactly what we're gonna do when we get there.
These have everything.
Yeah, no.
So make a cold hoagie, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't toast the bread.
We don't like toast.
What kind of?
Dude, you're not gonna eat that, are you?
No.
No.
Let's go turkey.
No, you gotta
like
make something that's nasty though.
No, not nasty, but like it has something.
Alright, what do
Let's
we
want
want,
chicken. You want chicken or do you want what kind of sandwich like?
ham.
I might eat.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Let's get some ham.
No, ham's gross.
So turkey?
Yes.
Yeah,
Alright,
get
let's get
turkey.
Let's get. Which one do you
Honey
want?
smokes.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get wheat. So like wheat
I
better.
don't know. We're getting.
No, we ain't getting no damn wheat.
Fine.
Alright, but wait, we're getting a big one?
Yes.
And it's probably gonna be nasty?
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're not wrong. Okay.
Can we put like every cheese on it? Oh, no,
Nah.
put like a... Bro, put this cheese.
No, that's screw that.
American.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, everything.
Avocado.
Avocado.
Both.
Yeah, put
Both?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
both.
So
Everything.
not everything.
No, just... Brandon, you're getting... That's the same... Brandon,
shut up,
that
shut
is
up.
the same shit, Brandon. That's the same thing as extra mayo.
Fine.
No, actually,
No,
yeah, actually,
turn
man.
everything
Alright,
extra.
take off
then.
extra oil, or we got extra. That's everything? Are you so... Oh my god! How much is this even? Yo, this shit, look how much! It's
Wait,
$22. No,
Nuh-uh.
I'm just kidding.
It's free toppings.
Ew.
Oh, that's gross.
What?
Those peppers.
Wait, go, wait.
Barb? Yeah.
Ew, bro, you get everything?
Told you, man.
Everything.
Oh,
It's
shit.
everything, dude.
Wait. Can we tell her we're doing this, or we just do it?
No, we just do it.
What kind
Nah,
of
we're not
really
putting anything
extra.
extra.
Pepperoni.
Nah.
What kind of skid do you use? All right, who's crossing Frank?
Alright, well, you're buying it. Your video.
Bro.
Here.
You want to do the pay for
I don't pay for it.
Fine, I'm getting my food.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. It's for YouTube channel though, right?
You're freaking.
It's alright. Just do the best you can, okay? Do the best you can. Is that what your mom want?
that right there.
Okay.
You know, do I want anything?
I don't know, do you want anything?
I'm thinking about it.
Can we like split this, like, Brandon, can we go 50-50 on the sandwich?
No.
Come on.
You're eating it.
No, so is he.
You're eating it, Brandon?
Yo, they got big ones here?
Yo, Brandon always gotta get something when he comes to Wawa. This is why you're broke. You understand that?
Yeah, I know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
What do I want actually for myself is but actually what I want to eat for real.
I gotta eat 5.
What do I actually want to eat for real, for real?
I don't know why he's
Hold this
facing
for me.
that way. I'm not.
Hold it for me. What do I want, like, actually to eat? Like, what I want? I just got paid, so it's okay. We're doing this. I want soda.
Why don't you face it the other way? Would you not?
What?
Yeah, right?
I guess. Alright. Do you have the vanilla Coke in here? I want vanilla, Pepsi or something. Alright, cool. Vanilla. Alright. What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? She's probably so mad we did this to her too.
She says it's all on one sandwich.
Yeah. She's like, oh my gosh. The free condiments too.
Yeah, I think they should like charge you for the condom.
They probably should,
It
but
should probably be like at least a $12 or $13 sandwich.
if it is, I'll still pay for it. It's okay.
It's your sandwich.
You're eating it too.
I know. I don't want to.
I'm not
You're
eating.
gonna-
No,
bro,
I'm
you
not.
have a piece
He's
of it.
recording it.
Oh yeah, you are.
I ain't eating shit.
So why do you gotta like this outside?
What else do I want here? Because I'm probably not gonna eat this whole sandwich. So
You know, that's why I got a sub.
you got a sub?
Yeah, I got me one sub. For after.
Did you really?
Yeah, then it's
Actually, is there a pork roll sandwich here? No, there's not. There's not a pork roll sandwich.
Here, why am I holding this?
I don't know.
No.
I'm debating. Buy mozzarella sticks.
10.60.
Alright, let's see how the sandwich is going.
If I walked up at my
Huh?
Wawa,
It was $11 the entire thing. It's not that bad.
if I walked
Because
up,
the condiment things are free, I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
if I walked up at my Wawa and I ordered that and they knew I was with you, they would kill me.
Really? That's why we didn't go to your Wawa.
We probably
I
should.
said we
I
should.
think it would have been more funny if we went to my
Well,
Wawa.
that's why I kind of wanted to go to your Wawa, but you wanted to be that
Let me-
person.
You do the challenge again.
Alright, I'll see you back at the house.
Alright, oh, do your
Oh
intro.
my god.
Do a second intro. What? You're not so zoomed up in our face, right?
I don't know how I'm gonna hit this thing.
Alright. Here, back up some.
Good luck, Brody.
Oh my god.
Who's taking first bite?
Brandon. We're both at the same time.
Alright. Alright.
We need a knife or something.
Joe, get in the camera. Go over there.
Alright. Alright, Brandon,
Let me smell that.
Oh.
It doesn't smell that bad, actually.
Gotta get that camera in there. Like you would.
Alright. We need a knife.
Are you sure?
We need something to eat this thing, Brandon.
Is there even a bun in there?
Bro, I can see.
Talk to your people, Joe. Let them know what you're thinking.
Oh, I'm not gonna get
That didn't taste that bad, actually. Shit, it's spicy. Okay. Should have been like no jalapenos. That's Parmesan.
That's gross.
Can we like please have I don't know, a knife?
I'll get the trash bag.
Oh, okay, cool. That's true. We need this.
We need a vomit bag.
Brandon, you have to take a big bite.
How you gonna fit that in your mouth,
I
Joe?
don't know. A lot of practice.
We got practice right now.
Yo, pop my soda.
You look good at that. Let me get a sip of it now. Ew, how you gonna bite that? Like a pizza or are you gonna try to close it?
I got you.
Try to close it, Brandon.
Can't even close it.
You can't, everything.
It doesn't taste bad, it tastes sweet.
Yeah, you made it all. You fucked it all
Yeah,
up. It
well,
looked
that's what
pretty.
happened.
I know it did. It looked
This?
gorgeous, didn't it?
You're gonna cut it?
I should.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
You're cutting off like every good part though.
He's going to just pile that on.
Duh. Fuck.
On the carpet.
There's like nothing
I'm
on
gonna
this thing.
start.
You don't have
Alright,
this
put
hair in
everything. Put everything.
Okay, well, Brandon,
Get
get
the
all
un-
this.
Ew.
I hate cucumbers.
Brandon, this is yours?
That's yours, Miss Brandon's piece.
Alright, let me go wash my hands real quick.
You're gonna pick it up anyway, might as well just
Wait,
wait.
I just grabbed some off the floor.
Oh.
Yeah, put everything on
It's
it.
so hard to. I don't want to keep touching my fingers with
Put,
this.
put some more on there. Here, get this ready too. You're gonna need that.
Might need it later. Oh, Jesus. Alright, Brandon.
The moment Joe realized he's gonna die.
Yeah, pretty much.
Can I flip the camera?
No.
What's this little button down here though?
Take pictures.
Oh, I just took a picture then.
Yeah.
I'll say a piece for Dimitri.
Make sure you can't hear any of the music in the background.
Yeah.
So, alright, end it right now and then.
Ready?
Are we both eating at the same time?
Yep.
Good luck, boys.
Ready?
Oh god. I hate half the shit that's on here.
Set. Go.
Rest in pieces.
How you liking it, Joe?
Mm.
Joe wants more. Brandon? Joe's enjoying.
It's not bad.
Add a little more. Get a little more, Joe.
Oh, let's eat this whole thing actually. They're sweet.
That's probably the sweet peppers.
Put some more stuff in there for you actually. For me. If you're not gonna eat it,
Brandon,
then just
swallow like a man.
Swallow like a man.
Damn, Joe going in. This might be Joe's favorite new sandwich.
No. Not like that, bro.
Brent, swallow.
I can't. It won't go down.
Be a man. So, Joe, what's your thoughts?
Tastes like shit. It really does.
Whoa.
Swallow it. I swallowed like 3 pieces. Come on, chew it.
Brandon, the longer it sits in your mouth, the longer it's gonna just taste nasty.
Mm-hmm.
I got vanilla Coke if you eat it.
What did you just do up?
You did?
Uh-huh.
Got the shit off the sandwich first? No, I don't want that. You know what? Keep this sauce.
Take a sip of that.
I'm still eating this thing, but I'm gonna take everything off.
Ew, it smells gross.
I know. It tastes gross. He gave me so much pepper.
Joe actually looks like he's enjoying it.
No, I'm just,
Put more peppers on there.
What the hell? All shit off.
Joe just spent $11, so he's
Oh
trying
yeah, I'm gonna eat this thing.
I think I need a drink after that. Alright, so stop eating, Joe.
There we go.
Oh, this is so dark.
So, tap on the screen.
No, it's like dark, like it's got
Is it like
His
any more,
brightness probably down.
any more like, what is it? Turkey?
any more turkey?
There you go.
I don't know how you're still going in on that.
That's it. I'm done.
As soon as it went in my mouth, because you threw so much pepper on mine, you were like, here, have more pepper. Have more. So I took one big bite of all the peppers. It all just hit me at once.
Alright, that's it. I'm done. This is gross.
Alright.
Talk to your people.
Actually, let me get some soda.
In your video so I can give
You
it.
want some?
No. Because
Okay.
that just burns even more.
Nope. Oh yeah, you're not wrong.
Hurry up so I can go get some milk.
This is what's left. It's a lot, actually. I'm not eating all this. This is gross.
There's like 2 pieces of bread.
Alright. That's it for this challenge. 8 for me. Do stupidity. And KronicXx. Camera pride.
Look, I got you.
You cameraman.
Holla at your boy. Finally got myself.
Oh.
We out.
Yeah.